out.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. Now, whew, yeah. And blow out. Good, ear to shoulder. Nice. Blow all the way out, ear to shoulder.
Oh.
Nice. So nothing I need to be careful of with the hamstring. You're back to?
I'm at probably 80%.
80%, okay. All righty, so let's check you, see how you're doing. And you can see there that she's off by about an inch on the right. Same as Dr. Mary Beth today. Okay. Let me have you scoot down just a wee bit. There you go, perfect. Get you all lined up.
I love this little fuzzy.
Right? I walked in today, I was like, woo.
I love it.
It's actually real. It's a sheepskin.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
My cats love it too.
It's from East Perry, and they're sustainably raised for. So they use the whole animal, but it's really good for grounding.
Yeah.
So putting babies on animals.
I'm going to check both sides of her ribs.
Yeah, I do feel like my ribs are kind of out.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to drop this down to change the angle a little bit. There you go. Yeah, so nice and relaxed. Okay. Okay. Remind me because I'll forget.
I'll be your assistant.
Okay, thank you. Deep breath in and out. Look up a little. Nice. Deep breath in and out. Drop the shoulders. Drop, drop, drop. Nice. All right. Definitely tight up and through here. So we'll definitely follow that up with the signature move. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead and take that, and then I'll have you flip over onto the back. And my assistant, where should we put?
You doing neck now?
Yes.
Usually I just tuck it right.
I will say,
Oh, okay.
So it's out of your way,
my
but you
neck
catch
really loves to go this way, and it doesn't like to go this way.
Okay. And thank you for telling me that, because there's only one vertebra in your neck that turns your head side to side, which is C2. So that second vertebra, I know I need to do a specific one to get you symmetrical from. So let's go ahead and check that. So right there, is that kind of where it stops? And then on this side, it's no problem. Yeah.
It's because I sleep with my head turned to the left,
Okay.
or to the right, technically.
Smooshed into the pillow. Take a deep breath in. And I'm going to go right on that C2. Good. Blow all the way out, ear to shoulder.
Oh.
Nice.
Wow. I'm so jealous.
Here we go. That.
Yeah, yeah. Take a deep breath in and blow out. Good, ear to shoulder. Nice. Okay. So we're going to check that. A lot better. And I'm going to do the Y strap and just give it like some decompression on the neck to open everything up. So either Kelly or Dr. Mary Beth. So usually what do is bring the hands up, and then we're going to stabilize because I don't want to stretch the lower. I just want to stretch your neck.
I got 155 pounds for you.
And you want to scoot down just a wee bit.
Just a little bit, because there's not
Okay.
run into that wall.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes. I have run
I'm sitting
into
on it, right?
usually I do the lay across.
Lay
So
across.
I'll model where I find the hip bones right here
Okay.
on their hip bones, and then just kind of so that way you're not like dead weight right on the rib
Right,
cage.
like here would feel probably good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
across
The
the
lay
thighs.
across.
The
All
lay
right.
across.
Well, I'm not gonna put my butt
And
on the
and
camera.
and
I'm gonna-
and dead weight. So
Dangle.
And-
Dangle across.
yes.
All right. Are you ready for my?
So I
dead
call
weight?
this the sandbag move because you're basically a human sandbag.
Here we
You're
go.
holding her down. Yes.
I don't do this one, but I'm gonna.
Okay.
Here we go. Hip
All
bone,
right.
Hip bone. Here we
All
go.
right.
All right.
All right.
Here. All right. Is that
Okay.
good?
Yep.
All right. Is that? I'm sorry, Ariel.
No,
This is
doesn't
perfect.
feel like anything.
Deep breath in and out. Good. And then on the second one, I'm going to do a pull. Is that okay, Ariel?
Yes.
Deep breath in and out. There we go. Nice.
Oh,
Very good.
did it pop?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That was a big one.
Oh, so nice.
We got an audible one on that one, on that stretch.
Perfect.
There we go.
I'll resume my.
So now, let me have you, now you can scoot back up. And be careful of the hair, because I don't want to get it. And should we? Okay. So you're going to lean back. And then you're going to go on this side over here towards me. I'm going to check your lower back. Okay. Very good. It is a nice table. Yep, so you're going to hold on there. And then I'm going to just kind of maneuver
But it looks solid.
and see where you stick at.
That's all that matters.
Right.
Yeah,
Exactly.
and
We
right
don't
like
make
that.
any
Good.
Yeah.
So I'm going to have you point the knee down to the ground. Good, good, good,
Your
good.
body.
Deep breath in and out.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice. Yep, yep. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We're going to do the other side. Now, did it sting at all or did it feel good?
Feels good.
Okay, good, good. Because when people are locked up a lot, the initial can be like a little, but then you're like, oh. Okay. Yep, and point that knee down. Good. Beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to have you lay on your back. We're going to check knees and ankles. There we go.
Would you be able to adjust my wrist?
Absolutely, yeah. 206 bones in the body. Half of those are in your hands and feet.
Oh wow.
So they are a very neglected part. And Ariel is also yoga teacher certified. I used to take her classes. So stretching the whole body is important.
You need to know that.
There we go.
You're going to be doing hands-on adjustments.
Yep, so I'm going to have you hold on to because I'm going to give you a little traction here. There we go, good. Oh, that was a nice one. Deep breath in and out. There we go, good. All right, and then we're going to have you seated. You're going to face this way over here. There we go.
In the center?
Yep, right there's good. This first thing I'm going to do is check the shoulders. So hands on your hips. We'll check the right one first. There we go. So you're going to, do your feet touch the ground? No. Scoot a little bit more forward. She's short. And you're going to push your feet down into the ground. Yep. So right there. So while you're pushing the feet down into the ground, I want you to push your elbow back into my hand hard. Okay, all right.
That one probably won't move.
Yeah, that was like concrete. Now, whew, yeah. So I'm going to try the right side. Usually if it doesn't go on the first one, that's an indicator that her muscles, which she already said in the beginning, that her right side is the really tight side. So these muscles here are just really, really tight. So after probably a couple of adjustments, she gets loosened up, then it'll cavitate, pop. So I'm going to try it one more time. And you know what? I may do the sandbag. So let me have you scoot back, because if the person rotates, it's just not gonna. So the sandbag is this. So Kelly, you want to do the sandbag on this one? So you're going to hold her down.
This is my guest star,
So
Dr. Catherine, and her assistant, other assistant.
Yes.
Her
And
sister.
so
I'm
knees
heavy.
are
okay?
Yeah, I'm
knees
fine.
are expensive. So I tell people make sure you're not on her knees, and you're just and you're gonna lean forward. There you
I
go.
love the Dr. Catherine show.
Yeah. So here we go. Now push back, hard. No,
It's a tight one.
those muscles are just not
You
gonna
said
do it
that's the one
today.
that's swollen, right?
Well, it's just like, I'm saying this is like my leg.
That's
Yeah,
the
this
axis
is
of
her.
the arm.
Her.
This is my one.
Yeah.
She's like, this is the arm.
Yeah.
Yes. So probably next time, and I would like
What
do
if I
some
did,
electric
like,
muscle
behind the
stim
back?
on her
You want a
here,
massage gun? I have a
and
massage.
and a massage.
Yeah, let's do
What if
that.
it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
behind the back? Like so.
Yeah.
Okay.
So okay. So let me finish everything. Let me have you interlock your fingers back there. Good.
Aerialist lats.
You know what? I'm gonna have you sandbag her again while I do this one.
Across this way.
No, just seated. The seated one.
Here, try this.
And again, lean forward.
It's a QT
Oh.
massager.
Okay.
It's a nice.
Ooh.
So we can
All
probably could
right.
work all around.
Nice.
Go ahead.
Well, let me finish
your arm
this
down.
this adjustment so
Oh, you're gonna do
that way Kelly doesn't have to. There.
I'm waiting.
Whew. All right. Nice. All right. Now we'll do the. Okay.
Yeah, so you have to hold this power button.
Yeah.
Here.
I
I'll
needed
do
the full
1,
body.
2, 3.
Okay.
My neck.
Oh, I just turned it off. Here we go.
All right. Is it on high? Because we're gonna need
We
some.
can do higher.
We can do higher. Okay.
Yeah, this one has adjustable for the highest.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that the paradigm?
I like this little mini one. This is nice. Does that feel good? Look at that face.
Bob and Brad, they're physical therapists on YouTube.
Oh,
They have
okay.
a bunch of really cool stuff. So I have this,
Oh.
their QT massager, and then have a pillow. We're gonna do a video on.
Okay. Nice. So we're gonna go all around that scapula and get it loose.
Audrey, hi Audrey.
We're gonna get you loose. Try to. Oh my gosh, this is definitely your power arm here,
Yeah. My one-handed.
where you're just
Star.
okay. Oh, like you're doing the fan when we were kids.
So
Oh,
cracking your neck. Well, I don't ever recommend it. I would say Mr. X. It's probably a.
yeah. Don't
Maybe.
self pop. You need a trained professional. Are you gonna go out to your car and open it up and start pulling out wires if you're not a mechanic? What's that?
Leave it to the professionals.
Well,
Yeah.
And if
sister's
you're
a chiropractor.
if you're able to pop your own neck, you're probably only cracking the parts that are already moving too much, and the ones that are stuck remain stuck.
Yes. And when people are self popping, that just tells me they need an adjustment. They're trying to crack themselves.
Professional scammers.
And you
Yep,
can't.
And I
Just
love
trust
my
me.
job, running man.
If I could crack myself and adjust myself, I would.
Hi Elizabeth.
Okay. So let me try this again. We're going to go.
I'm gonna grab the
Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. So Kelly, assume the position. So again, your feet are going to, you're going to be pushing. She's going to be sandbagging. And we're going to try this one more time. If it doesn't go on this one, then we're just going to have to call it. So sit up real straight for me. Good. Okay. All right.
Yes, Randall, I'm reading the comments.
Sorry. No dice today.
Yeah, it's more.
You need like an hour, like a 5 minute. Yeah. But now we know what we need to work on and we'll get it We just need it needs a little bit more TLC.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, let's see how the elbows are doing. Okay. And probably your wrist takes a beating as well.
Everything on the left side pops. The right side does not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still have to be ambidextrous to do all the...
I do, and I really try to train my left side.
So usually, because people get really tight in through here, so I like to do some openers. That usually feels really good.
It does.
And even like holding on and just doing some stretching on that, and that just feels really nice. Kind of help loosen you up a little bit.
Yeah, you'll feel like my right forearm is so beefy compared
So
to
you're
the
gonna
left.
sit up real straight for me, and then just be a noodle. There you go. There we go. Yeah, right there. Nice.
Oh. The microphone for the wrist pops. What do you have to say today?
Hi, hand. How are you doing today? I'm doing fine. Like in sign language. How are you doing today? All right, coming around the bend. All right, this is the, what'd you call it? The strong arm?
The Decimus Maximus. The warrior.
The warrior. V. Yeah. Sit up real straight for me. Good.
You told her to sit up straight, and I stood up straight.
Stand up straight. There we go. All right.
I'm still thinking about the comments.
Is this a mood ring? Is this your mood?
I think. Did you give me this ring?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's labradorite.
There we go. Nice. Again, we'll do a little stretching in through there.
Yeah.
Check all of that. Let me go back through. Yeah, don't try to fight me. Don't try to wrestle me.
Like one arm wrestle.
She's like, I don't know. With these guns, I'm going to lose. And I don't like losing. I'm a sore loser. Remember the Uno games back when we were...
Reigning Uno champion.
Yes, yes. I told her she had to beat me fair and square, that I wasn't going to let her win just because she was a little kid. So I beat her in Uno and stood up on the table and I said, I am the Uno champion of the world. All right, here we go. This one's going to be a big one. Here we go. There we go. Nice. All right.
Someone in purple, her name is Dr. Catherine. In green is Ariel. And Dr. Mary Beth is, I'm in green. Am I in green?
You're in green.
I'm in green.
Well,
She's
actually, she's in green top. You're in green
I'm
bottom.
in olive. You're in
Yes.
Grass
sea
green.
foam, teal green.
Uno, dos, tres.
All righty. There you go, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like
You're
purple and
welcome.
green today.
Okay. So, you okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Kelly's going to be next. Do you need the...
He is.
Yep, well, probably. Should we just switch? Okay.